Today we are in Shiga to visit Hikone Castle. We are at Genkyuan Garden, which is located right next to Hikone Castle. It is such a beautiful Japanese garden that it could be even better than the actual castle. It would be amazing for the falling leaf season or cherry blossom season. It was a bit too early for the falling leaf season. If you are in the Kansai area and have time, it's worth the extra trip because it's beautiful and has less people. This is a birthday trip for my husband. All the destinations are secrets. Do you like giving or receiving surprises? Give me your thoughts or your surprise ideas in the comment section below. Recently, the Japanese border has finally opened. I feel happy to see tourists here and there again. Diversity is important for growth, don't you think? This is a character called Hikone, who is the mascot of Hikone Castle. Japan has lots of kawaii, aka cute stuff. This is just the tip of the iceberg. Okay, let's go to the castle. Oh, there are endless steps again. It makes me realize we have to travel as much as we can while we're young. We finally reached the gate! And there are loads more steps. Here's the castle, let's go inside!
Really? Oh.
How are we gonna get the baby up?
Oh wow. Oh. So steep. Baby. I have to carry.
It's almost like a ladder rather than steps. There are some souvenir shops in the bottom. It's past lunchtime and we got hungry. We found this Italian ramen place near the castle. I was a bit confused with the idea of milk ramen, but it was surprisingly good. It's a beautiful collaboration of Japanese and Western flavors. We arrived at today's hotel. It's a bit old but recently renovated, so you can't tell at all. This place is in Fukui Prefecture, which is next to Shiga Prefecture. It's famous for its fresh seafood. Look at this beautiful sashimi platter using the whole fish. The food was good and satisfying, but we regret getting stuffed on ramen right beforehand.
Oh wow! Baby!
Happy birthday.
What's this? Oh. Big surprise. Oh my god, what's in the bag?
What's in there?
I have no idea what's in the bag. Oh yeah, what's in the bag? Wow. Wow.
This is the breakfast. This place was for about 15,000 yen, $108 per person per night, including the big room, the fish full course dinner, and this breakfast. The big bath was in hot spring, just normal hot water. But it's not a big deal for this price. My daughter wants to hold the camera.
Please?
Dada, please?
After the checkout, we came here to get some spring water. They sell some local vegetables at a nice price. This spot is famous for its holy water. There are filled faucets near the shop to get water. But we wanted a few sips of the raw water directly from the river. Have you heard of raw water? It says this water is believed to heal your sickness. There's some algae living on the surface of the stones in the water, and that's what's good for our body. The area that water comes out is the holy place and we cannot enter. The color of the ginkgo trees are so wonderful. I can feel like this whole area is very spiritual and protected. Time to get some water.
All the same water? All the
You
same?
can buy water containers at the shop, or you can bring any bottle from your home. But you have to buy a sticker for 300 yen, $2, and put it on your container if it's your first time. I want to get some local souvenirs. Let's check it out. I really like to visit local shops when I'm in the countryside. There are many delicious looking things that you cannot get outside the area. The veggies are usually cheap and fresh. This area in Fukui is famous for mackerel. It's so fresh that you can eat it raw. It's not fishy at all. This mackerel is called drunk mackerel that was fed Japanese sake and it makes it more tasty. It sounds a bit cruel, but it's their tradition. After our few bites of the mackerel, we are going to add the Japanese broth to make rice soup. It changes the flavor and texture. You can enjoy the same dish twice in different ways. Isn't it so cool? Our daughter was sleeping, so we ate it all. Thanks for watching our video. If you like it, please subscribe, hit the like buttons, and leave some comments and share. Thank you, bye!